Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to knit the garden fence stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to knit, purl, cast on, and also knit through the back loop. If you need help with any of that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches and techniques. So to get started, you want to cast on multiples of 5 plus 1. So I'll show you really quickly how to knit in the back. So instead of knitting in the front of the stitch like you normally do, you just come in and poke your needle through the back loop, like so, and then you knit just like normal. So to start off with row 1, you are going to knit in the back loop. Then you'll start the repeat of purling 1, knitting 2, purling 1, and then knitting in the back loop. And you'll repeat this all the way to the end of your work. So you can see here that we're going into the back loop to do our knit and not our regular front. Just take your time trying to do that stitch, and I know that you'll get it. So here we are coming on to row 2. We're going to start off by purling 1, and then we're going to jump straight into our repeat, which is going to be knitting 1, purling 2, followed by knitting 1, and purling 1. And you'll repeat this all the way until the end of the row. Here we are on row 3. We're going to start off by knitting 1 in the back loop. Then we'll jump straight into our repeat, which is going to be purling 4. And then we will knit 1 in the back loop. And you will repeat this all the way until the end of your work, or row, sorry. Now for row 4, you're going to start off by purling 1. Then you'll go into a repeat of knitting 4 and purling 1, and you'll repeat that all the way until the end of the row. Now the repeat for this project is going to be rows 1 through 4, so just keep that in mind when creating your project. And there you have it. That's how you do the garden fence knit stitch pattern. You can see how it ends up creating this beautiful texture. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next knitting video. Have a happy knitting day!